Mileage checks tayo guys. Ilan na bang kilometro nito? Yun, it's 542. Yan, 542 kilometers na po siya, no? So after natin mag DRT, yes, naka almost 500 kilometers tayo today as of July 4, 2024. And yes, this is our second change oil, no, during our, I can say it's a break-in period ng ating Honda CB 150X. So we use the 17 wrench, no? Yan, socket wrench. And then, yes, medyo naluwagan na natin siya. Kaya it's time naman nating tingnan, no? Okay, dahan-dahan lang. Yun. Yan ang ating oil, no? This is our second change oil guys, no? Within this 500 range ng kilometers, no? Yun, yan. Okay guys, so it's gonna be overnight, maybe tomorrow. Lalagyan natin siya ng kanyang langis. Okay. You know. Okay guys, so tomorrow ating continuation. But for now, ito yung pinaka ng change oil, no? Thank you for watching po.